love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste friends. So today in chapter Python, it is 54 and we are looking at NumPy, and NumPy this is chapter 13. So we did see about the arrays and we are actually continuing in the same manner. So the next two chapters including this is also about arrays. So this one is array sorting. So what is a sorting? Sorting is sorting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in ascending, or descending is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, A, B, C, D, or D, C, B, A, depending upon the requirements, whether it is ascending, descending, alphabetical, or numerical. So the NumPy ND array has an object function called sort, which is very simple, that will sort a specified array. So let's actually try this, and let's actually do this and see what it gives. So I have this, I'm actually importing this array, and I have this array which is one dimensional, and then I say sort of this array. So basically this is not sorted. So when I actually run this, it is sorted as 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is ascending. This is what I was telling you. Now we can also sort strings or any other data type. So let's actually take this. Okay, and this is also the example that I actually gave you. So if you see, like, I have banana, I have cherry, I have apple. So it should be A, B, C, right? So maybe, like, I can actually sort it as A, B, C by using the sort command. Apple, banana, cherry. So sorting is quite important in data analysis. Now if you want to sort the Boolean type, we have this, and then we have this. So true, false, and true. And then I can actually sort it. And let's actually do this. So it is false, true, true. Okay. So we can also sort a 2D array. If we use the sort method on a 2D array, it will be sorted. So let's actually see how this is sorted. So I take this, I import this array, and then I actually print it. So this is a 2D array, and now I'm actually sorting it. So if you see, I have this 2, 3, 4, and this is 0, 1, 5. So this is also sorted. Good. Now we can use the correct NumPy method to return a sorted array. So by this, what we will actually do is, we have an array. So this is the, we already done this. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you have to say print x. So if you say, like, print x, this is what it is going to give. But yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is a syntax, and this is how you would actually use. Okay, this is a short lecture, and this actually concludes the sorting of the array. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me a golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashree for allowing me to follow my passion. So till we see next time, take care, cheers, and thank you.